So all of the hardware that is in the standard library is locked in terms of editing the cutouts and the hole positions, just so that we have continuity across public releases. However, it's very easy to copy one of those parts into your own library, and then you have full access to make and edit. So I'm just going to show you how we do that. So under the library tab, we can navigate into our library of parts, and here we have the standard library with these parts. So what we'll do is we're going to create a custom library, and we'll just call this example library. So that's created. There it is, currently empty. So what we'll do is we'll find maybe a latch that we want to have in our own library and edit the cutout for. So we could go in and find this latch that we want to copy. And then we can select library to copy to, find our library name that we just created, and then copy that over. And this takes around about 10 seconds to do so, slightly longer if you're doing multiple parts, and that is done. If we look in the example library, there is the latch. So we can now access this by clicking on Edit Hardware, go to our library, example library, and there's the part. Click on the tick and then edit. And here we are in the edit mode of this latch. If we take a look down here, we have our cutouts. So we could go into the cut underneath panel, edit sketch, and here we have the original geometry that was projected for this cutout.